Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Today I am just going to be taking you guys with me along with my day, another day in the life of a dental assistant. I haven't done one of these in a long time, I feel like, so I'm going to take you guys along with me. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And mask on, put your shield on, get your suctions, and let's go. So right now I am just getting my day started, taking everything out of the autoclave, putting everything away where it goes. So right now, this day, for some reason, this organization was not doing it for me. So I decided to go through all of the instruments and make sure everything was in its place. So that's just what I'm doing right now. So next I'm going to start prepping my trays for the day. So I'm going to pre-set them and put all of the basic instruments and the burrs and the hand pieces, so that way I can just grab and go. So right now I am just doing a Invisalign scan. Do you guys prefer to scan or take traditional impressions? Me personally, I really don't care. Either one is fine.
Everybody, ma and poppy came to party. Grab somebody, work your body. Let me see you 1, 2 step. Ever since the
So next I am taking some traditional impressions for a partial repair. This patient lost one of her teeth, so we were adding a tooth to her partial, an existing one. So I'm just taking a couple impressions for that. So next I am just cleaning my room, getting ready for the end of the day. No more patients after this, so I'm just gonna clean. I'm also going to run my suction lines and change the traps, and you guys will see that in just a second.
Everybody, my copy came to party. Grab somebody, work your body. Let me see you 1, 2, step. Everybody,
So I just got off work and I know it's like super dark. I'm trying to fix the lighting. Anyways, so I just got off work, don't mind the background, blah blah blah. So I got a package from my favorite place. I know I just literally did a haul and they came out with a new color and I wanted it so bad, so I ordered it. And I'm gonna show you guys really quick what I got. I'm gonna do an unboxing. I haven't opened it yet. I just cut it open right now and I wanted to do an unboxing for you guys. So let's open her. And the color is so pretty, perfect for Valentine's Day. I got pink ones. As soon as I seen it, I was like, oh my god, I have to order that. And I ordered it as fast as I could. But the main reason I placed this order, you'll see in a minute, is because I wanted this item so bad. I'll show you guys in just a second. I have on figs right now. Not sponsored, but look how cute this color is. Like pink. Hello. My favorite color. I had to grab it. This is in the size medium. It's a Katrina one pocket top. I don't know if this is gonna focus. There it goes. It's the same top I have on, but yeah, it's pink. And then I got the joggers to match. Look how cute, and I love the pop of mint. Super cute. I need to stop saying super cute, but I don't know what else to say. So anyways, I got these in a size medium as well, and they're just some joggers. Love their joggers. Love figs. I said that in my last video. If you haven't seen my figs haul, I'm gonna link it down below so you guys can watch it. And for the thing that I'm most excited about, this is why I placed this order. I got a work bag, a new work bag. It's in the same pink color. It's so freaking cute. I'm so excited. I'm ready to put my things in it right now. So it says this bag contains hand sanitizer, latex gloves, surgical tape, tangled headphones, AirPods, alcohol pads, counterless stolen pens, money for coffee, loads of ambition, tons of legal drugs, liquid damage, proof of hard work, endless passion, a stethoscope, a travel mug filled with last week's coffee, more stolen pens, and 100% awesome attitude. Like, how cute is that? The inside is just wired, and then right here you can put your name or whatever, your name and blood type. That's weird, but this bag is the canvas tote and it's in one size. Yeah, I'm about to switch all my things in here. This is gonna be my new work bag for the moment.